we're going to transform your basmala, which is the saying, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So if you sound right now by saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, no worries. By the end of this, you're going to be reciting this perfectly. So let's break this down for you. So for example, you want to ensure that you're not saying be, which is very common, but rather you want to say be, ensuring that you are completing that sound. Bis, as opposed to bis, bismillah, as opposed to bismillah. Very common to hear bismillah, but rather you want to say bismillah, right? Perfect, just like that. Keep your tongue flat. Bismillah, bismillah. Now, if you take a look at the next word in the saying, Bismillahir Rahman, and not a ra, but ra. You want to ensure for the letter ra that you're using the tip of your tongue, the top side of it, placed at your, behind the gum line, not at the gum line, but behind your gum line, so that your ra doesn't sound like a raw, like a letter R in English, right? Bismillahir Rahman. The next point is you're going to focus on is the letter ha, making sure that you're blowing through it. Bismillahir Rahman, Ar-Rahman. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The same thing there, the Ra and the Ha, Ar-Rahim. That was very good. Try it with me. Do you realize that now you're saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim? Wow. Imagine if you achieved that in 60 seconds. Imagine what you're going to accomplish in 15 weeks. I look forward to seeing you guys in next semester. Make sure you go ahead and enroll. Our enrollment is currently open. See you there.